Hi guys, I'm Zhonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Christmas is over, which means the New Year is coming. I do hope everybody has been planning something for the New Year to embark 2021 even though we are still going through the pandemic. Which is why today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my really cute and petite mini cupcakes. This recipe makes 4 different types of flavor, which is great when you are serving up in a New Year's gathering, or let's say package it up and give it to your family and friends as a New Year's gift. Anyway, it looks so cute and petite and I can't wait to share with you guys. But before I start this video, I would like to thank Alko for sending in this mini muffin pan from Städter. It is actually made up of high quality non-stick baking pan from Germany, and it is great. If you are interested about the product, you can click the link in the description box below to browse all the different products they have on Lazada, and also at the same time retrieve 10% discount coupon which will expire on the 4th of Jan 2021. Anyway, to get things started.
In a mixing bowl, cream together softened salted butter, caster sugar until light and fluffy. Cracking an egg one at a time. Then drizzle in vanilla extract. Stir in plain flour and baking powder. Mix until just combine before adding your milk into the batter. Set aside. Line your cupcake liners into the muffin pan. If you are not using a paper liner, you can just simply lightly grease the pan, as the non-stick coating from the starter is very good. You don't really need to add too much coating of the grease or dust the pan with the flour, but I'm using gold cupcake liners today to bring out the festive mood. Then transfer your batter into the mini muffin pan. Bake it at a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let it cool while you make your buttercream. To make your buttercream, beat softened butter, icing sugar and vanilla extract for about 5 minutes until the mixture is pure and fluffy. As we are making 4 different flavors today, I will separate the buttercream into 4 equal portions. To make my strawberry buttercream, I would stir in some strawberry powder. You can get this in the baking store. Afterwards, I just simply finished it off with a sprinkle of rainbow sprinkles. It looks fun and cute. To make the chocolate buttercream, sieve in some cocoa powder and mix well. Then, I would like to sprinkle some white chocolate rice, a drizzle of melted chocolate, and then finish it off with a white chocolate button. To make my Pandan Buttercream, drizzle some pandan paste and stir well. I finish this off with some desiccated coconut and drizzle over some kaya for the extra local flavour. For the vanilla buttercream, I just pat it out on the cupcake and top it off with some strawberries. You can use any other types of fruits that you prefer.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy, and check out all my printable recipes at www.thezhonghan.com. I wish you guys a Happy New Year and I see you guys soon. Bye bye!